Hello lovely friends, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to share my soya milk recipe with you, and it's very simple and easy. So if you are here and you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, like and share this video. Okay, so I soaked my soya beans for 24 hours 24 hours, and so that's what you have to do, either a day or two, depending on the quantity that you are going to use. So I'm going to rinse this very well clean. Yes, you can decide to take the skin off, but since I will strain it, I'm not going to take the skin off. I will just take it to the blender and blend it and then strain it. And so you can decide to take the skin off, but I'm not. So I've divided it into two, and I have this in a blender. And so let's look at the quantity of the beans and the quantity of the water. You need more water to blend it and blend it very, very smoothly. Okay, so I'm done blending the first batch and I'm straining it, and I'm going to blend the second batch also. Next batch. Okay, that one too is ready, and we are going to strain everything together. Now, this strainer won't be able to strain it very well. It will still leave a lot of chaff, and I'm adding more water to it. And so I'm going to get my strainer with the small holes and then use it to strain for the first time. And then the second time, I'll get something that will help me get everything out of it. You can use cheesecloth or anything that will help you strain and strain it very well. You don't want to feel any chaffness in it. It has to be smooth like milk. So this is what we had. I'm going to add more water to that one. And this is the one that I strain. I'm going to strain it again, and I've added enough water to the chaff that I strained. So I'm going to strain this one with this my cloth. You can use anything that will help you strain it, cheesecloth or anything. So I'll strain both and then put them in my large saucepan and put it on fire. And so I have it on fire now, and we are going to boil this very, very well. And you don't have to leave it on fire and go and sit somewhere. You have to give it attention and be stirring consistently so that it doesn't get stuck under the saucepan, and it doesn't also cook beyond the saucepan and then just get into the fire. And so this is the chaff we got from it, and we are going to have a recipe for this, so don't throw it away. And so we are still boiling our soya milk. You would have to boil this to a point where you don't feel any bitterness in it. So the soya milk is boiling, gradually it's boiling. So all that you need to do is you will allow it to boil very well. The only way you will know that it is well cooked is when you don't feel any bitterness in it. The taste is very sweet. So when you cook it for about 2 hours, I cooked mine for 2 hours. So after 2 hours or maybe 1 hour 45 minutes, you can have a taste and see, or probably 1 hour, taste it and see. And if you have some bitterness in it, it means you still have to cook it. Okay, so look at the level it has gotten to. You see, it has reduced, so it means my soya milk has cooked very, very well. And this is what some vegans use for vegan egg. Okay, so this is it for our milk. It's almost, or it's 100% ready. I'm going to put off the fire and I will allow it to cool down, then I will strain it, and that will be it for our soya milk recipe. So I'm going to strain it now. It has cooled down 100%. So I am going to strain so that I don't get some of these things in my milk. I want it very smooth. And so this is it. We are done. I'm going to put some in the fridge, and I'm going to enjoy some also. So this is how soya milk. This is very simple. Just soak your beans for 24 hours and then prepare your soya milk and you are good to go. You can add any flavor of your choice, either vanilla, pineapple, or any flavor. And hey, when you add the pineapple flavor to it, you will love it. Thanks so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Like and share this video, and watch out for another awesome recipe. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.